Oh, so this is part 2 of Colwen builds the Lego The Batman Batcave the Riddler Face Off. So, uh, just to recap, we have built the Bat main computer and we have built Bruce Wayne on his motorcycle. That is bag number 1. I'm going to stick them back over there out of the way as far as I can comfortably get them because now we're into bag number 2 along with the extra parts. And so here are the extra parts bag. And here is bag number 2. Oh boy, hold up. Oh. Limey. And we got 2 little smaller baggies. I'm going to put these just over here for right now. And I'm going to try and get through some of these bigger pieces in the momentary. So we want this big piece right here, I hope. Come, dude, don't stop. There's no fan over here. Ay. Like that. Got this 2x4 here. And then we need this piece here. And then take this piece here. And, okay, hold on a second. Let me put these long rail pieces over here. And these long pieces over here. Kind of organize things up a little bit. Because I've already got to get into the other bag. Because the other bag okay, you can hold off on that one for a moment. So where's the part I'm working on? Okay. Take this kind of brownish, goldish, dull color piece. And then, there we go. Okay, put that there. And we're probably, oh no, we're still, oh boy. Okay. And then here's this greenish color piece. And then another one of these. So it's got like a whole track rail system going on here. Get rid of some of these bigger pieces, right? Oh, I gotta open up the other one now. Alright. So, that part there. And we need this piece bag here. There we go. And they want me to use 2 of these 1x2 with this weird angle slant piece thing going on. Oh wow. I just peeked at the page after this accidentally. This is gonna get crazy. And then we need some of these. They want me to put them together like this. And then there's a gray piece in here. Here we go. Oh, that's interesting. It's like it's got a peg hole on the side, and you can actually stick something in there, but there's no hole in the back. That could be useful. And then another one of these, and then stick that there like that. We need to get one of these clear plastic pieces. Like this, and that's going to go over here. And we got this little archway piece then. That goes there. Then we need to get the other doorway. Is my X-Acto knife nearby? Yes, it is. Okay. Get the other doorway nearby. I'm going to stick that there. That's it? Okay. Let me get this up in here. And I'm going to... Come on. There we go. And we're going to gently take it like that. And I'm going to bring this around here. There. Okay. So now we got the Wayne sticker here on the clear doorway. Let me straighten up these pegs here a little bit. It's coming together. I don't know what it is so far, but it is coming together. We are now on page 28, and we got these brick pieces. Is there any particular way they want? It seems like those ones they want like that, and then these ones they want to go like this. So they want, it seems from the picture that they want the straight line to face inwards. Okay. Okay, then we got these 1x3 angle pieces with these 1x2 slant pieces. And they're using this to secure all the pieces underneath together. Let me adjust my back. Oh, wow, that's really slipping. There we go. Oh yeah, and we're gonna keep stacking things up. So more brick pieces. So brick here, get a brick here, and then, oh, I messed up. Take that away. Put this 1x1 square stud there, and then one of these gray pieces here, and then the slanted piece. Oh my goodness. Another slant piece there, a slant piece there, and then take two of these and then stack them up on the inside there, and then two more. Like this. There we go. I'm building an entire building here. Oh my goodness. Whew. Ah. I like that. That is a nice piece right there. A proper staircase piece. And then you got some of these. Okay, hold on. The staircase needs to go one more peg set further in. Like that. Yeah, so that those one by one pieces line up and they help to support everything together, and then that locks it all together. Yeah, you see here? Yeah. Okay. And we need some more of these slanted pieces. I really like this little structure here. I might just outright steal this for I don't know what for, but I like this little structure here. That is cool. Pop that open so that people can just walk right through, have a doorway there, and just have it go straight through. That'd be kind of cool. Okay. Here we go. This piece right here, and we've locked it all together. We've got one corner of the Batcave going on here. I'm going to put this down here because now we've got to do the entire thing all over again. Did I skip that? Oh, I did skip that. Hold on. There we go. There we go. And then, there's that. There's that. Whew. Okay. A couple of these 1x2 with the slants. And then, okay, there's one. Found it. There we go. Okay, again with the bricks. Okay, put those bricks over here like this because they want this to go here. And then take another slant brick and put it there. And then one of the bricks right there. I think I'm making pretty decent timing on this, actually. It's only been like, what, 16 minutes? I set the alarm to go off at 26. So hopefully I can finish up this section and then go on about my day. I kind of like the idea of the bags being numbered and, like, you know, as you go through the instructions, open up this bag, then open up that bag. It, what are you doing? Okay, I see what it wants me to do. I see what it wants me to do. Let me put that down there for a moment. Then I'm going to take this, and then, whoop, like this. Take this, and then bring you back up here, and then this 2x3 goes in here, and then the rest of the staircase goes down there. Going on to page 40 and 41. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, give me a moment here. Boom. I'm barely keeping... Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So we got this long 2x piece. I'm not even going to bother counting how long it is. We will. Hold on a second. This thing uses a lot of these really long. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are 2x16s. Blimey. It's going to want this right in the middle. Is it right in the middle? Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is the biggest one I've done on camera, isn't it? These are interesting little ratcheted pieces that is going to go over here. That's what these were really important. These little brown pieces are important because they help to space out where they want these big old rails to go. Look at that. It's to quote another YouTuber, it's huge, man. It's huge. And then they want these little black 1x1 studs here, here, and are these? Oh, well, they're the only ones in here, so they gotta be the right ones. But these aren't just regular 1x1 studs. These are the 1x1 studs with little holes in them. Okay. The only other 1x1 studs I have are gold ones, and that was not gold. So these aren't 1x18 or whatever. These are slightly shorter. But these are going right there and there. And then another couple there. And there. And I'm pretty sure that's just to help stabilize and hold everything together. This is not something you're going to be swooshing around. This is definitely a playset display-based thing, which is cool. You know, that's what I expected. Okay, what do you got going on here? What is this? What is this? Okay, so I'm going to do these one at a time. We got this thing here, and we got these slanted pieces here. And there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. And then we got these 1x2 sharp slants. I like the way that looks. That is neat right there. And then that goes... Oh, not on top, but right there. Okay, okay, that is interesting. So, to reiterate, this one is going to be facing the other direction, but you can still build them the same. See? Wait. No, I didn't. I built it wrong. It was like that. Okay. And then you're going to come back here. And then be careful with it right now, because these pieces, we're going to probably reinforce these in a moment, but these pieces are kind of loose, so be careful with it right now. Come on, prove me right. Oh, yeah, we do. We do some kind of reinforcing on there. I'm not too thrilled about the kind that we do, though, because it seems really minor. You're going to take these 2x1s with these clips on there, and I'm sure these clips are going to come important somewhere else, and make sure the clips are facing outwards away from the platform. Otherwise, you probably don't have clearance. Okay, this does help a lot to reinforce. Let me get this up here and show you what I'm doing. Oh, nope, not there. Come on. Not there. Come on. There we go. Tiny piece, tiny piece. I've got a big head and tiny fingers. You know, I don't think you thought this through. You know, actually this, put the gold piece on first. Then put these black pieces on either side. That way you're not fighting to get in there. You see what we did there, though? Yep. Ugh. Okay. Got those on. Now we go to page 47. We're clearing up the bits and bobs here. Okay. Oh. 3 of these. These 2 are... Yeah. Right in there. And ooh, that also is helping to grab a hold, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Okay. Then this here. And then skip one there. And then skip another one there. take these grill pieces and stick them in the middle there. And then, okay. Oh, wow. We're going to take these pieces here and just fill the entire row in with these gray panel pieces. Wow. Where's another one? Here's another one. Then, do we want to do it like that? Wait. Wait. Well, we're going to get to the 30-minute mark because I just messed up. Okay, so this row is supposed to go like that. These two long black pieces I put too far in, and these rail pieces need to come out again also. You are made of stupid! Okay. Now it's going to look right, because this gray piece... Did we drop anything else just now? No, just a little brown one. Alright. And this gray piece, and then this vent, as we can see, the vent goes over the round piece and the black piece on the inside, and then this vent is going to cover up the end of this piece and then go inwards. Okay. It's a long build, and I am surprised that I was able to go this far without making a major mistake. But we are in the home stretch now. Basically, this is like the oil drainage or something. I don't know. All these drain pieces. Batman is so sus. He has so many vents. Doing this while reaching around the camera is actually kind of tiring, because my back is all stretched out, my arms are all stretched out, and just... Normally I'd be like sitting like directly on top of this thing while building it. Oh my goodness. There we go. As I start knocking pieces off of it already, right? So we end up with 4 pieces left. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to stack them up into a little kind of lamp sort of decorative thing. And I'm going to stick it right there. And so now we have the Bat computer, the Bat motorcycle, and I don't think the computer attaches to this quite yet. So that's going to be another thing we got to build. So this has been Colwen with a Let's build of the Lego The Batman Batcave The Riddler Face-Off Part 2. And I hope you look forward to seeing Part 3. Thank you very much for watching and have a safe day. I'm going to go lay down.